Hi, colleagues and friends. Now, today we want to do a lesson on singing a song called Kusarima. Um, now, singing to Karigamombe, the master singers, the experts, it's difficult because the way one sings creates its own melody that is not necessarily aligned to the melody of the mbira, but complementary. And so if you listen to the way Msekiwa Chimboza sings, he's got several recordings, and that is done that are on YouTube on singing Karigamombe. It may sound deceptively simple, but it is complicated. It is done by a master. I've listened to recordings of people like Sekuru Gora. Those were master singers, and that style of singing is very difficult. Is something that you can try and learn as you progress. But there are songs that are easier to to sing on Karigamombe. Songs that in essence have four phrases. So the Mbira part has four phrases. One, two, three, four. So there are songs, traditional songs, and many of them can be played even without the mbira, played using backed up by drums, by ngomas, but they can be overlaid onto Karigamombe, and they come out really nice. And there are many of them, several, or I should say several of them. And today we are going to do one such song. Now, Kusarima is a song that just encourages people to plant their fields. It is a song that encourages agriculture. Now, the history of agriculture in Africa goes, several thousands of years back. And what I can say is that the people who have occupied Zimbabwe migrated already knowing elements of agriculture, cultivating sorghum and millet. And so in that sense, this is an old song that just encouraged people to do agriculture so that they could harvest these small grains and use them for preparing sadza, for preparing their pap. That was their source of starch. So Kusarima is an easy one. The lyrics are Kusarima oye oye, Kusarima oye oye, Kusarima oye oye, torai mapadza muchirima. Torai mapadza muchirima is get your horse and let's go and cultivate the land. But the way it goes is Kusarima oye oye. That fits into one phrase of Karigamombe. And then you repeat it, Kusarima oye oye. That's another phrase. Kusarima oye oye. That's the third phrase. And Torai mapadza muchirima. That's the fourth phrase. So that's why it is easy. There are similar songs that have those four phrases. Now, one of them is nyama yekugocha. You would have to adjust the mbira part. Yave nyama yekugocha, yowerere, yave nyama yekugocha, baya wabaya. And you can layer it, phrase by phrase. So yave nyama yekugocha, that's one phrase. Yowerere, second phrase. Yave nyama yekugocha, third phrase. Baya wabaya, that's a fourth phrase. You could do Jaminuka ndimambo. That's one phrase. Aye ndimambo. Second phrase. Aye ndimambo. Third phrase. Shumba inogara yega musango. You could do Kashirika mambo. Waitambana Kashirika mambo. Aye oye. Aye oye. Mudzimu ndiringe. It's a song that you could arrange onto Karigamombe. So for Kusarima, the way we do it, the Torai mapadza muchirima, that's the signature part of the song, fits into what we're calling the first phrase. So usually we start playing from the second phrase. And then when we get to this last phrase, or what we would have called the first phrase, that's where you go. Torai mapadza muchirima, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima. So the oh yeah is just to ease you into singing. So it's Tongi mombe mbudzi, and then you're going oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima, oh yeah, oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima. So this is basically the song. Kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima. So you can then add a few more lyrics. It's a simple one. I think a version that you could Google up or YouTube is a version that was done by Mbuya Beulah Joko with Cosmas Magaya. So the album is Afamba Apota, and Kusarima, I think it's song number 8 on that album. So you can add a few more lyrics from what Mbuya sang, but these are traditional lyrics. So you could go so kusarima oh yeah, oh, and you get to torai mapadza muchirima, and then you tell a story. Gore randakarova kahwerekwere. This fits into a phrase. Vadzimai vaenda kuhuni, another phrase. Sadza rakamhanya somudhudhudhu, torai mapadza muchirima. So let's start with kusarima. Kusarima oye oye, kusarima oye oye, kusarima oye oye, torai mapadza muchirima. Gore randakarova kahwerekwere, vadzimai vaenda kuhuni, sadza rakamhanya semudhudhudhu, torai mapadza muchirima. Gore randakarova kahwerekwere, vadzimai vaenda kuhuni, sadza rakamhanya semudhudhudhu, torai mapadza muchirima. Not smooth. Let me do it alternating. Oh yeah, kusarima oh yeah, torai mapadza muchirima. Gore randakarova kahwerekwere, vadzimai vaenda kuhuni, sadza rakamhanya somudhudhudhu, torai mapadza muchirima. Gore randakarova kahwerekwere, vadzimai vaenda kuhuni, sadza rakamhanya somudhudhudhu, torai mapadza muchirima. Kuzoti rine mujakari rakamira kuti ndindi, kusarima oye oye, torai mapadza muchirima. Kuzoti rine mujakari rakamira kuti ndindi, kusarima oye oye, torai mapadza muchirima. Torai mapadza muchirima, oye oye, oye oye, oye oye, torai madzimai vaenda kuhuni, sadza rakamhanya somududu, torai mapota muchirima, kuzoti rine mujakari rakamira kuti ndindiwe, kusarima oye oye, torai mapadza muchirima, oye oye iya, oye 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 oye, shumba inogara yega musango. So this is where the Chaminuka and the Mambo could get in. Shumba, where we are saying Tora imapa zamuchirima, that's where you would go. Shumba inogara yega musango, but you would have to modify the mbira playing a little bit to sing Chaminuka and the Mambo fluently. But I think this Kusarima Woye, listen to the song that was sung by Mbuya Bila Koko. It's an excellent one. Listen to songs Chaminuka and the Mambo, Waitambani Kashirika Mambo, Nyama ya Kugocha. All these songs potentially can be arranged onto Karigamombe. I think that's the lesson part, that singing Karigamombe is tough, but there are songs that can be layered straight onto Karigamombe, and they let you enjoy. You start with Dongi Mumbe Mbudzi, and then you start humming, oh yeah, Dongi Mumbe Mbudzi, oh yeah, oh vaitamba nakashirika mambo, oye oye iya, oye oye, dongi mombe mbudzi, torai mapadza muchirima, oye oye iya, oye oye iye oye, shumba inogara yega musango. It is just a way, for you to hum and then start layering some lyrics from some traditional songs. I think this is enough. We end here today.